Falcon Biofuels Incorporation. We strive, we provide, we conserve. Falcon Biofuels Incorporation consists of people who have caused its continuous success. Let me introduce to you its team. Headed by Engineer Menchie Virtusio as Chief Executive Officer, with the help of Engineer Aaron Macli Di Maano as Chief Production Officer, Engineer Ron Gabriel Gunyo as Chief of Research and Development Team, Engineer Ojilin Perez as Head of Human Resource Management, Engineer J.R. Aguila, Head of Sales and Marketing, and lastly, Engineer Marian Dimple Makatangay as Chief of Financial Officer.
This is the Falcon Biofuels Incorporation official logo.
Company's mission. Falcon Biofuels Incorporation Company is committed to the betterment of our community to eradicate pollution in our society. It also aims to provide good service to the people by providing the finest biomass-based diesel fuel and marine biodiesel. The management ensured that all manpower and personnel are all disciplined and well-trained to the proactive, diligent, and dependable individuals as they fulfill their part in creating an eco-friendly society. Company's vision: to become the Earth's model for being superb but eco-friendly biofuel company who strive for the best product and workforces to achieve productiveness and valued customer satisfaction.
Falcon Biofuels Incorporation started the operation on October 18, 2005. The said company was founded by an auspicious businesswoman and petroleum engineer Menchie Virtusio, who turned out the small business into the top largest company of biomass-based diesel fuel. The company's first working site was established on a broad land in Laoag City, Ilocos Norte, using 107 hectares of land. They chose that location because of the wide plantation of peanuts, which is one of the main raw materials needed in the production. Another factor was because of the windmills that provide wide range of electricity for the company that made it eco-friendlier. The transportation of biomass-based diesel fuel supported by tanker trucks. But of course, its location is greatly fitted to every consumers from different places since it is kilometers away to Laoag International Airport and Clark International Airport. Integrity, ascendancy, excellence, compassionate, unity, and fairness are the company's virtues. Falcon Biofuels Incorporation started as a small business just for importing raw gasoline and crude oil from large companies. The main purpose of the company at its first 5 years was to distribute gasolines and crude oil into small businesses. The idea of producing biogas-based diesel fuel comes from the innovation of biogas. As the company was supervised by smart and skillful petroleum engineers and controlled the different departments of the company with all well-trained employees, it brought them to success. After only a few years in the business world, the company proved how worth it the process is while providing for consumers' need and helping to retain the greener.
Word scope. Falcon Biofuels Incorporation Company mostly focuses in distillation and refilling of biomass-based diesel fuel. The company offers manpower service, which is distillation, maintenance to provide separation workforce in chemical process. The company are able to manufacture biomass-based diesel fuels, which are used as petroleum distilled fuel oil. These fuels are typically combined with petroleum fuels such as diesel fuel and heating oil, generating it a more valuable fuel for diesel engines. But the good point is, they can be used as on their own bio-based mass diesel fuel. As the main product heating fuels and the best marine biodiesels are the three different products the company supply. Also, the company offers manpower service, which is distillation, maintenance to provide separation, workforce in chemical process.
Falcon Biofuels Incorporation, our work experiences for the past 15 years. Our clients: Royal Dutch Shell, Petron Corporation, Phoenix Petroleum Philippines Incorporation, Philwa Shipping Incorporation, Archipelago Philippine Ferries Corporation, Fastcat Petron Corporation. Our project description: biomass-based diesel fuel supplier, distillation maintenance, marine biofuel supplier, heating fuels provision. Period: February 10, 2008 up to June 9, 2019 is all completed. We have one ongoing, and that's our client, Petron Corporation. Project description: heating fuels provision, April 6, 2019, and that's our project reference.
Falcon's Biofuel Incorporation Management Team. The first one is the Chief Executive Officer. This is the person behind all of this that are happening in the company. The second one is the Chief Production Officer. This is the person who established a workflow and build a concrete method to maximize efficiency of manufacturing operations in the company. The third one is the Chief Research and Development. This is the person who leads the research activity to innovate a new equipment which can be possibly used in the production. And the fourth one is the Chief of Financial Officer. This is the person who manages the financial actions in the company. The fifth one is the Human Resource Management Team. This is the person who recruit, hire, interview, and screen new workers to see if they are qualified and fit in the company. And lastly, the Sales and Marketing Manager. This is the person who's responsible in planning and implementing new sales plan to meet the company's operations goals. The goal of the management team is to build and manage an organization effectively in order to maintain on top the said company.
Going further, let's focus our attention to the most vital part of this company, which is the people. Well-trained, well-managed, and pushed to achieve results on a regular basis and even greater heights. That is how Falcon Biofuels Incorporated describes our employees. From marketing, finance, research and development, production, and human resource, their workmanship are solely reflective of the company's vision and mission. Falcon's legacy are solely reflective of this company's vision and mission. Falcon's legacy relies on the hands of these people whose appropriate values are suitable to their skills and work ethic.